When I started looking online, started pulling up different companies on the computer for roofers, I remembered Timbercrest, and
This is how I found Timbercrest.
so that's how I remembered, and then I called because, well, right around the corner from me, so why not give it better to a local company, right? Well, they're one of the ones that answered the phone and came out promptly. It was Steve. And from there on, it's just been pretty smooth sailing so far. I mean, this is still day one, March. Hey, no complaints so far, and advertising does work. Again, thanks, Timbercrest.